tielo machielo. Riwruok mar Transparency International kod jotelo mag riwruoge mamoko makendo ratich oganda kod telo makare onyiso duol makedo kod mibadhi e pacho ka EACC mondo yaw nonro ewi mwandu mag jotend migepe manyocha jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oriembe tich. Giwacho ni kaluwore kod kido mar moko kuom jotend migepe go manyocha sungo mwandugi mabechgi ni malo, nyaka non malong'o kadibedi ne gidonjore e timbe mag mibadhi.
The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, that is EACC, commences lifestyle audits and investigations targeting the recently sacked cabinet secretaries and other public officers that citizens have profiled for displaying obscene opulence that do not align with their declared sources of income. These individuals must be held accountable for their time in public office to ensure that public funds were not mismanaged or siphoned through corrupt practices.
Kenyans have been aggrieved by the gross misconduct of the majority of the former cabinet secretaries. In addition, there has been no political accountability for various corruption cases exposed under the Kenya Kwanza regime, such as the fake fertilizer scam, the mosquito net scam, the edible oils corruption scandal,